Hello. Welcome to FeedPixel. FeedPixel is a group of 5 professionals driven to empower emerging and established businesses, marketing professionals, beauty and fashion icons, and freelance artists to build quality profiles across all social media platforms. Let's talk about TikTok Money Calculator. The TikTok Money Calculator allows you to calculate your estimated earnings from your TikTok account if you believe you are an influencer based on your engagement and number of followers. What is TikTok Money Calculator stands for? Estimating how much your TikTok account can earn daily, monthly, and yearly. Calculating how much money a single TikTok post can make. Getting insights into how much money other TikTok users make. Comparing your TikTok account current profits to its potential earnings. Tracking TikTok engagement and earnings of your account. Matching your TikTok engagement against other influencers in your niche. Seeing which TikTok videos are most shared, liked, viewed, and commented. How do you find starting a TikTok account from scratch? Hard? So do million other TikTok users. Most of those TikTokers would gladly pay for having an already established account with dozens of thousands of followers and millions of likes. Niche influencers offering real accounts with a large following are real-time alternatives to spending months and years on growing followers count yourself and improving engagement. Want to know what your TikTok engagement rate is? To use TikTok Money Calculator, simply enter your username and tap calculate.how. Do you find starting a TikTok account from scratch hard? From more than 24 months of TikTok algorithm observations and nearly 1 million TikTok profile analysis, FeedPixel creates relative coefficients and factors in all engagement factors to bring you real results. All then is multiplied by 100 to bring up the engagement percentage. This tool to provide earning potential guidelines to influencers. Ultimately, both the brand and influencer negotiate what they consider to be fair value for endorsing the product or service. This is only an estimation and can vary greatly by niche, country, audience location and audience brand affinity.